Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the crying filter on your Snapchat app. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate it if you can support me by liking this video so the YouTube algorithm can push it out to others who need this tutorial. This filter basically makes your face sad and makes it look like you're crying. You can get some really funny reactions out of it. So to get this filter, first open up your Snapchat app. Now tap on the search and search for crying. In the results, you should see some filters appear. Tap on the one that says crying with this kind of icon on it. This will open up your camera screen and the effect will be shown on your face. As you can see, I'm smiling right now, but it is actually showing as I'm sad. Now go ahead and record yourself or record someone else with this filter. Another way of using the crying filter on Snapchat is by applying it to a photo into your photo gallery. You can do this by tapping on the icon at the right hand side, which looks like a photo image. Browse through the photos and see how Snapchat has applied the filter on the faces. Once you have your video or your photo ready, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And that is how to use a crying filter on Snapchat. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.